your new teacher. I am Tanushri Sarkar. Okay, so today we are going to study EVS. Okay, subject EVS, chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is My Family. Okay, so everyone has a family. You have a family. I have a family. Every single person in this world has a family. Okay, so today we are going to learn about what is family, members of the family, types of the family. Okay, so have a look here. This is a boy, okay, his name is Ankit. That's his father, okay, and that's his mother. And this is the sister of Ankit, okay. So they are some persons. They stay in this house, okay. So when few people or a number of persons stay in the same house, this is a boy, his name is Ankit, okay, and that is the male member. This is his father, okay, and this is his mother, and this is his sister. They all are a family. They stay in the same house, okay. When people stay in the same house, okay, when they stay together in the same house under the same roof, they are called as a family. Family means parivar, okay. So they all are a family because they stay in the same house, okay. Therefore, they are called as a family. Now, there are types of family: small family, large family, joint family, okay. Now, we will talk about small family. This is a boy, okay. That's his father, that's his mother, and that's his sister, okay. So, there are 4 persons in the family. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 persons in the family. So, this is called as small family. Okay. Why it is small? Because there are small numbers of persons in the family. So, it is a small family. Now, we will talk about large family. Okay. So, in large family what happens is, there is a boy, he has a father, he has a mother, he has grandfather, grandmother and a brother. Okay? There are 6 persons in the family. Let's count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 persons in the family. Okay? It is more than this. So, this will be called as large family. Okay? This is large family. In small family, we have few members, okay, like 4 or 5, not more than that. But in large family, we have 6 to 7 members, okay. Now, open your EVS book. This is your EVS book, and its name is It's All About Us, okay. Open your EVS book and turn to the page number 27, okay. This is the page number 27. Look at this picture, okay. See, you have a picture over here, okay. This is a family. This is a family of Jasmeet. That's Jasmeet. Jasmeet's brother. Jasmeet's father. Jasmeet's mother. So, Jasmeet has a small family because there are 4 persons in the family. So, Jasmeet has a small family. Okay. And there is another picture. Look at the picture below this. There are so many persons in this family. Okay. This family is of Shabnam. Okay. That girl, this girl's name is Shabnam. She has a father, a mother and a grandfather. Okay. She has a pet as well. That's a dog. Okay. So she has a large family because she has 5 members plus this dog. Okay. She has 6 members in her family. So therefore she has a large family. Okay. And now there is another picture in this book. See. Just below this, just below that picture, you can see there are so many persons, okay, so many persons, we can count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 persons in the family, okay. This is more than the large family, so we will call it a joint family. In this picture you can see, this is a boy, his name is George, okay. George has a father, a mother and a brother. George has grandfather, grandmother, uncle and aunt and his 2 cousins. Okay? When in a family there are more than 5 or 6 members and you have uncles and aunties together with you, then that family is called a joint family. Okay? And you have turned the page number 26. See, you have got an activity to do. Okay? Paste a picture of your family here. So, get a picture from your parents in which you have your grandfather, grandmother, your uncle, aunt, your dad, your mom, your cousins, your brother and sister, and paste it over here. Okay? Now we talk about small family, large family, joint family. Okay? Now here is a single parent family. See, in this picture, you can see this picture, there is a boy and a mother. Okay? He only has a mother. There is no father, no grandparents, no uncle, no aunt. Okay? So, this family is called single parent family. Single means one, only one. He has a mother, only a mother. So, he has a single parent family. Okay? Now we will learn members of a family. So, the persons living, see, in this family we saw a boy, father, mother, grandparents and a sister. Okay? So they are staying in a family, in a one family. They are called as a family. So they all are called members of the family. Okay? The persons who stay in a family are called members of the family. Okay? So we have grandparents. So there are two types of grandparents, parental grandparents and maternal grandparents. Okay? So we have two types of grandparents, paternal grandparents and maternal grandparents. Okay, let's now talk about that. See, that's your mother. Okay, she has a father and a mother. Okay, so they are called your maternal grandparents. So, students, our father's parents are our paternal grandparents and our mother's parents are our maternal grandparents. Look at the board. Okay, see. That's your mother. It's a mother, and this lady is the mother of this mother. Okay, and that's the father of this mother. So they are our grandparents. But what kind of grandparents? Maternal grandparents, because they are the parents of our mother. So that's a mother. Okay, this is a lady and this is a man. Okay, so this lady is the mother of our mother. And that man is the father of our mother. Okay, so they are called as maternal grandparents because they are the parents of our mother. Okay, so they are called as maternal grandparents. Now let's talk about paternal grandparents. Who are they? See, that's your father. This is a father. This is the mother of this father. Okay, and this is a father of this father. So they are our paternal grandparents. Okay, why paternal grandparents? Because they are the parents of our father. So we will call them as paternal grandparents. Okay, now another member is, some of us have pets in our homes. They are also a part of our family. Suppose it's a boy. Okay, he has a dog. He has a dog as his pet. Not everybody likes dog, but some of us love dog. Okay, so this boy has a pet dog. So this dog stays with him at his place. Okay, so this dog is also a member of his family. So this dog is also a member. Okay, now in some houses there are people who help in the housework. They are our domestic helps. Okay, they are also a part of our family. You must have saw, your mother works at your home. Okay, she cooks for you, she dresses you up. Okay, so your mother, that's your mother. Okay, she cooks, she helps you in studies. Okay, but you must have saw a girl who comes to your place, who helps your mother in her work. Okay, so that is a house help. She comes to your home, early in the morning or in the morning and leaves your home at evening, okay? So that person comes to your house and leaves. So that is also a part of your family. Suppose you have a car, okay? So the car has a driver. Your father has a driver, so that driver comes to your house and leaves your house. So that is also a part of your family. They are also a part of your family, okay? Now we will turn the page, okay? Now get to the page number 29, okay? So here we will study about helping each other in a family. See, when we stay together as a family, we help each other. Your parents help each other, your mother helps you in studying, you help your mothers in getting clothes from the closet or getting utensils from the kitchen to the dining hall, okay? So, we love our family members. We all love our family members. We love our fathers, our mother. They love us back. Okay. So we help each other all the time. We try to help all the time if possible. So we play games, watch television and eat food together. So in this picture you can see mother and father are cooking together. They are in the kitchen. It's a kitchen area. They are in the kitchen. They are cooking together. Okay. Father is helping your mother in cooking, and see, it's a dining hall. It is a dining table and a chair. It's a grandfather. He is reading newspaper. The children, it's a boy. He is getting plates. So in this picture, what we can see is they all are helping each other. As a family member, you have to help your parents. Your parents will help you back. Okay, like your parents, you do homework. With your parents, they help you do the homeworks and you also help them back in the written. Okay, so now in the same page, we go for picnics or vacation. As a family member, persons go to picnics and vacations for recreations. Recreation means enjoyment, fun. Okay, so we celebrate special occasions like birthday and festivals with our family and friends. In this picture, on the same page, page number 29, okay? You'll get a picture, that's a picture. It's a boy, his father and his mother. And in front of him, what is that? It's a cake. You all love cake, right? It's a cake. So he's cutting a cake. So it is clearly visible that he is having his birthday party. It's his birthday. So family members celebrate birthdays, festivals, weddings together, okay? And now we play many indoor and outdoor games together. Indoor games like Ludo, okay? And outdoor games like Luka-Chupi, badminton, etc. Is it? So we play indoor games and outdoor games with our family members. And we go to amusement parks, game zones for recreation. I've told you earlier, recreation means, the word recreation means fun, enjoyment, okay? So we, as a family, we go on a picnic, on a vacation, okay? See, there's a picture, okay? It's a family. That's mother, father, it's a boy and a sister. They are in an outdoor zone, okay? It's not a home, okay? So there are trees, a scenery, there's a mat, basket and some food, okay? So it is clearly visible that they are having a picnic. So family members go on picnic, have vacations together. Now sometimes our friends and neighbors also care for us. Neighbors, now who are neighbors? Neighbors means persons staying next to your home or staying in your surrounding, okay? So, and friends, you all are friends. So see, they all are playing together, they are having picnics together, okay? So, they also help us just like our family members do. So, because they are our neighbors, our friends, they also help us just like our family members do. Neighbors are the persons who stay next to your house or stays in the surrounding in which you are living. So, now turn the page, go to page number 30. See, this is the page number 30. You get the page number from here. Okay, that's the page number 30. What you can see here, it's a picture. See, it's a tree. Isn't it a tree? It is a tree. There are so many persons drawn over here. Is it? So who are they? Let's talk about who are they. It is a family tree. These persons are a family. They together make a family. Okay. So they are a family and this is a tree. So we call this as a family tree. What is a family tree? Now talk about a family. Okay, family tree. See, it's a tree. Okay, as it is drawn over here. It's a tree and there are many members. Okay, so what does this tree shows is this tree shows the relationship of the family members with each other. Okay, so there is a grandfather, there is a grandmother, that's a dad, and a mom, that's a boy, and his sister. That's his uncle, his aunt. Okay, so they all are a family. Okay, so it's a tree. This tree will show the relationship of this boy with the other persons. That's the grandfather. Okay, this boy has a grandfather. This person is a grandfather. This is a grandmother. So the relationship with this boy is, this is a grandmother and that's a grandfather. So now the relationship with these people, that's his father and that's his mother. Okay, so the relationship with these people is, this boy has a father and a mother. So, and next is, that is his sister. So this tree shows the relationship of this boy with the other members of the family. So therefore we call this tree as a family tree, because family tree shows how all the members of a family are related to each other. They all are a family member, they all are different persons, they are related to this boy. So this tree shows the relationship of these persons with this boy. Therefore this is called a family tree. Now we will do the exercise part. Okay. Now we will do the exercise part. Okay. So the exercise starts from 31 page number 31. Okay. So first question is question number A. Choose the correct answer. The question is, father, mother and children make a small/big family. So the answer is small family. Okay. Cousins/friends stay together in a joint family. And the answer is cousins. Okay. Now next question is, our mother's parents are our maternal grandparents. So the answer is maternal grandparents. Okay. Our mother's brother is our uncle/aunt. So the answer is uncle. Now the next question is, family members should help/fight each other. We should always help our family members and not to fight. Okay. Now next question is question number B. So the question is, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. First question is, Aman lives with his father, brother and mother. He lives in a dash family. So he lives in a small family. Okay. Now another question is, I stay with my parents, uncle, aunt and cousins in the same house. I live in a joint family. Okay. Another question is, my pet dog is Bholu. He is also a part of our family. So in the dash we are going to put family. Okay. My father's brother is my dash. So my father's brother is my uncle. And Meena is our domestic helper. She is also a dash of our family. So she is also a family member of a family. Now turn the page. Page number is 32. Okay, turn the page. You will get question number C. In C we have to take true. We have to write true or false. Okay. So first question is, all families are big. No, it's a false. All families are not big. Another question is, my mother's sister is my uncle. It's false. My mother's sister is my aunt and not my uncle. Okay. My father's brother is my uncle. That's true. My father's brother is my uncle. Pets are also a part of a family. Yes, pets are part of the family. And family members help each other. It's true. Family members should always help each other. Okay. Now another question is question number D, in which we have to write the answers. Okay. So the question is, what is a joint family? A family where children, parents, grandparents and sometimes even uncle, aunt, cousins live together is called a joint family. Another question is, who is your paternal grandfather? Okay. So our father's father is our paternal grandfather. Another question is, with whom do we celebrate occasions? We celebrate special occasions with our family and friends. Another question is, this is the last question, what is a family tree? A family tree shows how all the members of a family are related to each other. See, there is a picture, okay? In the same page number 32, students, there is a picture. You have to look at the picture, okay? Look at the family below and describe the type of this family. Okay, so let's see the picture. There is a boy, his sister, his mother, his father, his grandmother, his grandfather. So it is a large family. They have grandparents with them. So it is a large family. And you have a homework to do, students. In the question number F, see it's written question number F, the first question. Okay. The question is, what are the things you love doing with your family? Draw them in different sheets of papers and paste them in your scrapbook. Okay, so that's a homework for you. Thank you so much.